Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to tag someone on Instagram story. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. Now to tag someone on Instagram story, first of all what we need to do, we need to put a story on our Instagram. So we're going to tap on plus icon here, and here we're going to tap on story. So for the story we can capture a picture, or we can also use the pictures from the gallery as well. All right, so I think I'm going to go here with this one. So we have the picture for our story. All right, so now what we have to do to tag someone on our Instagram story, we have to tap on this smiley icon that we have. And in here, you can see the option of mention. So we have to tap on that. So from here, you can actually mention your friend or family and also the accounts that are public. So we're going to go here with this one. Let's just tap on this. And now we have successfully tagged someone on our Instagram story. So now we have to share our story. So for that, let's just tap on this button. Let's just tap on share. Now let's just tap on done, and you will be able to see our story with our tagged user. So this is how we can tag someone on Instagram story. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.